Whoa. You're sideways. Whoa. You can dance. It says your iPhone is connecting to audio. Are you there?
Are you with me?
Did you ask me why I resist you?
Are you receiving me?
Oh, yeah. You're right there.
But can you resist me?
Yes.
Haha, you're lying.
I can resist anything. You're a dog. Okay. Okay. Hello. Welcome to Conversations in Sunglasses. I am still Glenn Clark. This is my guest. Whoa, you're echoey. What are you doing? Muffin, what are you doing? Copyright, man. Copyright. Cut.
I like that song.
That's a nice song.
It's good for story time because it's kids. They're singing about Dutch people.
Right. And so they passed the Dutch kid to the left-hand side.
Pass the Dutchie. He's very small.
I guess so. I never met him.
I guess he's poor because he doesn't have food. That's what the song says.
Right.
How does it feel when you got no food? I like food.
Right. Right. And you're right, so this is my guest. He's either on this side or this side, depending, because for some reason when the meeting records, it's been flipping my image, but not the other person. Whoa. Right, my guest, Muffin, he's a retired library storytime dog.
I like the library.
So, I mean, you are a dog and stuff, right?
Me. I'm a puppet.
You're a... Wait, okay, so how do you feel about...
But also a dog.
A puppet dog. Right?
What?
It's
yes.
Yeah, but how do you feel as a puppet, as a member of the puppet community? How do you feel about Chucky?
Who's Chucky?
Chucky is this crazed, deranged, demonically possessed murder puppet.
I don't wanna.
I mean, you don't have to, but how do you feel about him? Is that how you feel? You don't wanna?
I don't wanna.
You wouldn't want to hang out with Chucky?
I don't know Chucky. I know pass the Dutchie on the left-hand side.
Mommy, stop passing the Dutchie. Copyright. But when you're bad, is there somebody in your life who smacks you in the face with a rolled up newspaper?
I'm never bad.
Oh, well, that's cool. Well, okay, so hypothetically, if you were bad, is there anyone who might smack you in the face with a rolled up newspaper?
What?
I mean,
no.
It's your family. Do puppets have families?
Hey.
What?
Man, you got problems. People don't need to be all Chuckies and demonic and newspaper hits. What even is that?
I'm trying to understand your life and your experience.
I used to work in a library. And I sang the alphabet song, and
Well,
it was in a giant tree.
wait,
And
the library was in
there's
a giant
a giant tree.
a giant tree.
And there's a Storytime tree. And you have to walk through the tree.
Like,
And
would
then
you
you
like
go to
it?
Storytime. And I sang the alphabet song. And I said hi to the kids. And then now I don't have a job. And I live with a cat in a closet.
Wait, okay, so is the cat like your lover? Like, what's your relationship with this cat?
Huh? This is my roommate.
Oh,
She
right,
poops in a
okay,
box.
so the cat pays half the bills, is what you're saying.
I mean, somebody pays the bills. It's not me because I don't have a job.
So are you looking for work? Are you on unemployment? Like, what are you?
I'm Muffin.
You're Muffin. Yeah,
I'm
so
Muffin.
okay, so I had
I'm
a
Muffin.
question about that. Muffin
About what?
being your name, like, are you a muffin or are you muffin, like, as in short for muffing? And if so, what even is that?
Huh? My name is Muffin. My name is Muffin, and I don't wanna. But if you take me to the library, then I can read books and see some good friends. The library's where I want to be. Yay! That's my song.
You like to sing, I gather.
I do story time. I
Right?
sing.
So like, were you a popular figure at the library? Did the kids like you? Did you have friends?
I am still popular. I had friends. They lived in a file cabinet. I used to
I had
live
a
in a
friend
file
like that
cabinet
once.
too. That's where all the puppets go. And we're alphabetical.
That's nice and tidy.
Yeah.
Wait, I had a question.
You
Whoa.
are a question.
Yeah.
Is this an interview?
Yeah, man, I want to know your life. The life of a. Wait, are you demonically possessed? Just to be clarified, I want to know how puppets come to life. How,
We just are.
but like,
It's magic.
so okay,
Puppets magic.
what is the difference between magical animation and being possessed by some spiritual entity?
Why are you obsessed with supernatural things?
I don't know. I write horror novels.
Oh man, it's my roommate.
Your roommate?
Her name is Darnell.
Oh,
I think she's trying to steal my thunder. Hi, Darnell.
this is like.
I'm on TV, Darnell. You can't be on TV with me. Well, there she goes. Okay, bye. She only says meow.
That's it. Is it kind of like have you seen Guardians of the Galaxy?
Yeah. Who hasn't?
I don't know, this one guy. But like, have you know,
Where's he
like,
been?
what?
Where even has he been? Get with
Who?
the times, man.
Oh, right. Yeah, I don't know. That guy, I don't know where he is. But like, okay, so Groot, how he only says I am Groot. Is that how it is with the cat? Like, if she says meow, do you understand what each meow means, even though she's saying the same thing over and over?
Hey, Darnell only wants 3 things: treats, food, outside. That's it.
I mean, that's a life, I guess.
It's simple to be Darnell. I
I
don't
get-
want to talk about her. I'm the one on TV.
Right, because you used to. So, okay. So are you looking for work, Muffin? What's your
I mean,
5-year
just
plan?
living, I live. No, I'm 5.
Oh,
I'm just living my best life. I live in a bag, in a closet, and I just relax, man. I try not to take anything too seriously.
I think you just described
And
my life
I
in
want
6
work.
months.
When I want to work, I work, and it's not work because I enjoy what I do.
I understand that. I feel you.
Yo,
Good job. Good dog. Is that like insulting or is that something you like to hear?
I'm very offended. No, I'm just kidding. It's fine. I am a good dog.
Oh, okay. Well, good. Okay. So do you watch a lot of dog videos on the internet?
Yes.
Okay.
Yesterday, I watched a video about a dog named Chowder, and he skateboards.
I saw that video.
I was thinking, I don't know. Go away. It's my time. It's my show. She won't shut up. Anyway, I'm thinking that I would like a skateboard.
I think what's even happening right now? I think
Get out of my light.
I think you'd be good at skateboarding.
Yeah, me too. I think I look really cool. I'd be like, doo doo, doo 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 doo, doo. I'm on a skateboard.
Do you know like when I was a little kid, I used to sit on my skateboard and make my dog pull me down the
That's
sidewalk.
slavery. That's slavery.
It's
I'm
not.
just kidding.
I
You
mean,
don't know what slavery is.
it kind of is. Like he was a Cocker Spaniel. A Cocker Spaniel is one of those dog breeds
They're
that
so
would be able
fluffy.
to survive in the wild. Yeah, like their hair would just keep growing and they'd get tangled up in the bushes and foxes would eat them.
Oh,
Like so.
that's sad.
Yeah, it's not sad. It
I
didn't
heard
happen
that.
to him. He's already dead.
Well,
But like,
I don't want to be eaten, Glenn. I thought foxes were nice.
I mean, not all of them. Some of them are
I'm
psychotic. But if you've met a nice fox, you can't judge all the members of the race by the actions of one.
I try not to judge.
Like that one that tried to eat Jemima Puddle Duck.
Huh?
Wasn't there a fox that tried to eat Jemima Puddle Duck?
Hey, man. Why you gotta talk about animals eating each other?
It's what we do.
Why you gotta upset me? You need to clean your thoughts, Glenn. You need to have happy thoughts.
Okay, well, what's a happy thought?
Sing a song.
What's a happy thought?
Sing a happy song. Sing it.
La 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 la.
Yeah. Why you stop?
Because that's the end of the song.
Oh, okay. It's short.
Yeah, yeah, because I got tired when I was writing it. I like your sunglasses. No one's had sunglasses like that on here.
I found them in a box.
Wait, you live in a bag hanging in a closet?
It's on the floor.
It's on the floor.
But there's a house around the closet, and I found a box with a bunch of 80s stuff in it, and these sunglasses.
Well, so okay, so they make you live in a box in a bag in a box on the floor of the closet in this house. Are you like the Harry Potter of the house?
But no, it's my bag. I love my bag. It's where I keep all my costumes.
Oh, you have a lot of
I
costumes?
dress like a pumpkin, and sometimes a rabbit, and sometimes a pirate, and sometimes a cowboy. I got costumes, man. Oh, I have a Santa hat to be Santa dog.
Oh, cool.
Because Christmas.
Yeah. Christmas. You like Christmas? What'd you get for Christmas last year?
Yeah. What?
What did you get for Christmas last year?
Sorry, I couldn't hear you because my roommate is being loud.
Why don't you like smack her? Smack her in the face.
Why are you so violent? You can't hit people.
I wasn't going to hit anybody. I was suggesting you do. You hit someone.
No, you just hug them. Dude, Darnell just wants to be pet. But I don't have time for that because I'm on TV.
Oh yeah, totally. Like you gotta snub the lesser people in your life.
I'm famous. I'm famous. I'm famous.
So, Muffin, have you ever considered doing your own show? Because I bet you'd be really good at interviewing people.
I started a show called Muffins Me Show. Because I'm Muffin. I'm me. And it's my show. So it's my me show. But I don't have like equipment and like producers. I just haven't, sometimes you have plans.
Right.
And then you chill out in the closet for a long time. But
every day.
You have to be productive to be worthy, Glenn. You don't have to. You can just enjoy life. But I understand that people love me and they probably want to see my show because I'm famous.
Yeah, so you do a show that it's just like you never record it or anything because you don't have equipment?
Yeah. I guess I could get Darnell to do something.
Oh, wait. Speaking of equipment, how do puppets reproduce? Or is that through personal equestrian?
Dude, people just make puppets. Why don't you know that?
I don't know. I mean,
like I came from a factory. Somebody sewed me up and stuff. And then we get brought to life with puppet magic. Magic.
I don't know which part is creepier, being made in a factory or being brought to life with puppet magic.
But it's not creepy, it's beautiful.
So like when you were in health class, did the teachers make you watch videos of puppets being made in the factory and being brought to life?
I didn't go to school.
Puppet magic. Oh. Right, you're only 5. But like, how long are you gonna live? I mean, you are a puppet, but you're also a dog.
Hey, Glenn.
Yeah.
You get real dark real fast.
I know.
And you need to sing that happy song again.
I don't remember it.
La 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 la. It's all about being happy. You gotta live in the moment.
I agree. I agree. Do you like my toys?
I can't see no toys.
Oh,
You got toys.
yeah, you must be it's your sunglasses must be like
They're
makes it
not
hard.
easy to see through. I gotta
Oh,
tell you that. I don't know how people in the 80s saw through these sunglasses.
I don't think
Shut
they
up, they're
did.
not on TV. Ah! I'm sorry I told you to shut up. We're still cool, Darno.
Do you and your roommate like usually get along, or do y'all always bicker like this?
I mean, it's only when I'm trying to do something for me that she has to be like, oh no, me.
So she's
I
a
don't know why.
self-centered hoe, right? Like you don't like her
A
at all. You
little
want
bit.
to kill her in her sleep. No, I did it
Again
again.
with
Did I just went dark.
hey, if I was your doctor, I would prescribe you like shut up there now. Like 10 lessons of umbop.
In who? What? Huh?
You gotta listen to umbop like 10
Mbop.
times and get happy.
Oh, that is a happy song.
Yeah.
It's playing in my head.
Badubop.
That song was like not recently, but a few years ago, like well after the song should have even ever been on my mind. I looked up the lyrics to that song and found it shocking. There were shocking amounts of depth to the lyrics.
Hey man, Hanson's underrated. Those guys got it going on.
I think you are correct.
Hey, you want to hear? Cause you should look up Hanson Acoustic. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. Like Bill Withers would cry.
Okay.
Well, he'd be like, oh, those white kids know how to play.
Okay. So you're a Hanson fan. Are you into like
I like music.
90s music?
I mean, who isn't? It is the 90s.
It is?
Yeah.
Interesting. Wait, which 90s? The 1990s or the 2090s? Are we
like whatever?
just
it's
the 90s? The floating 90s? Do you exist on a floating timeline?
I don't know what that is. I like to float though. Watch.
Is that puppet magic?
Puppet magic. Levitation. Across the nation.
That's really weird.
On the left hand side.
No, Pat's the Duchies. No.
What if they need help getting from one place to another?
Then I mean.
And so you gotta pick them up and pass them because they need to go left.
Oh right, left. Okay, so like politically speaking, do you lean right or do you lean left?
Right now, I'm sitting up straight.
Oh, so you're an independent.
Okay.
Like okay, but floating timeline. So that's like, you know, you know how like Big Bird turned 6 every year?
No.
Every year, Big Bird, he's had like a 6th birthday for like 50 something years, I think.
He's old.
Yeah, but he's still only 6. So is that how
he's
you
older
age?
Than me.
What?
I don't know.
How long have you been 5 years old? How many times have you celebrated Christmas?
I don't know. Hey man.
Would you say
do what I do?
Significantly more than 5, perhaps? Have you turned
I don't
5
know.
significantly more than 5 times?
Stop confusing me.
I'm
Muffin. I'm here.
right.
I'm me.
Okay.
Famous.
I'm glad you're you. Don't be anybody else, Muffin.
I'm famous.
Yeah. You're famous. Right. So do you want to do
Do you ever take strawberries
what?
and put them on your fingers and then you eat the strawberries off your fingers? Like you got strawberry fingernails?
Maybe.
I do that.
I didn't even notice you had fingers. Must be all your fur.
I don't want to talk about it.
Okay, we don't have to talk about it. Wait, what were we talking about? Strawberries on your fingertips? Like,
I love strawberries.
Wouldn't it be weird if you put strawberries all over your fingers and candy corns all over your teeth?
I love candy corn.
Just, I don't know what you do from that point, but wouldn't it be weird? Oh, you don't have any teeth. Ah, hey! Why are you eating the camera?
Because you said candy corn and I got hungry.
Oh, I'm sorry. Well, I'm not a candy corn.
Don't you know how to pretend?
I'm not going to pretend to be a candy corn if you're going to eat me.
It's just pretend.
I don't even want you to pretend to eat me. No! I fear thee. Okay. So like again, okay. I guess I can't ask you that because you'll say it's too. Have you ever seen Jaws? It's this movie about a fish.
No. Is it like one fish, two fish, red fish, blue fish?
No. It's more red, like a lot of red, man.
Book?
Wait, what?
I don't know that book. And we never read it in Storytime.
What, Jaws?
Yeah.
Interesting.
Oh, tell me the story of Jaws. Do Storytime.
Of what?
Of Jaws.
Of Jaws? Okay.
Yeah, you can do it. And then sing a song.
So once upon a time in the ocean, there was this fish. His name was
fish.
Yeah, his name was Bruce. And
Bruce.
Yeah, Bruce.
I thought his name was Jaws.
That's just the name of the story. It's named after his mouth.
Oh.
But his name
How do you know his name is Bruce?
Bruce. Because that's what they called him on the set when they were making the movie. Okay. That's what they called the fish. They just called him Bruce. And,
okay, fish named Bruce.
Bruce, the fish, swimming in the ocean, and he sees this naked woman swimming through the water. She just got laid on the beach, but they didn't show that part in the movie.
She laid down?
She what? Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, she might have been lying down. She might have been on top. She might have been.
I mean, I'm naked.
You're wearing sunglasses.
Oh, yeah, except for sunglasses.
Yeah, so you're not naked. This woman wasn't even wearing sunglasses. And it was nighttime, right? She's swimming naked in the water at nighttime. And so the fish...
That sounds dangerous.
It is, because here's look what happened. Look what happens. So she's swimming, and Bruce sees her. Bruce, into the story, into my storytelling powers. So Bruce sees her, and he like bites off her leg because she looked delicious to him. And she's like screaming and screaming, and like blood goes everywhere, man. And like she's just like, shark, and this gets sucked under the water. What?
The story.
Whoa,
I
what?
like it. Why
Oh,
is it always so dark with you?
you asked me to tell you the story time of John. So
I guess I should have known, Glenn. I guess I should have known that it was gonna be all bad.
it's not bad. It's one of the greatest stories ever told. Jaws. That's just the prologue.
But
Because the real story begins when they find her rancid remains washed up onto the beach.
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow.
That reminds me. I wrote a poem. Let me read it to you.
I don't know if I want you to. I might need to go to my happy place.
Wait, Muffin. Let me read you this poem that I wrote on January 6th of the year 2000.
Is it got blood?
I don't remember. I just remember it starts with Mary had a little lamb.
Does it have demons?
No, I don't think so. Look, let's find out together. Because I don't remember.
Okay.
But it appears to be a nursery rhyme. I mean, it's literally. Oh, what's all?
Oh, I like nursery rhymes.
Yeah. All right. And again, I wrote this 21 years ago. I must have been 6.
How many birthdays have you had?
I don't know, like a gajillion.
See, you don't know either.
Have you ever read John Carter, the Princess of Mars? It's a book.
I've never been to Mars.
It's a book. It's a book called A Princess of Mars. I thought perhaps you'd be familiar with it. Edgar Rice Burroughs. There's this character in there. You what?
I only read books that are less than 20 pages.
Oh, well, this one definitely wasn't less than 20 pages.
And they have to have pictures.
Okay, got it. Anyway, well, there's a dude in there, John Carter. He doesn't know how long he's been 30 something. He just thinks he's always been. That's kind of me. I've always been 27.
Just like me too. I'm young.
Right.
Quite young.
And furry.
And furry.
And oh right, I was gonna read you my nursery rhyme.
You do the poem.
Mary had a little lamb whose shoes were wet like spam. And everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to put mysterious things in boxes when all the lights were turned out.
Oh,
then
that doesn't rhyme.
Then one day,
that took a turn. I wasn't expecting that.
I wasn't either. Okay. Then one day the lamb died, and Mary was terribly sad.
That's sad.
But when she had lamb chops for dinner and had sex with 10 sailors at once, oh, what a smile she had. See, it ends happy.
Happy play.
Okay, well, I'm sorry. I'm not Mother Goose.
I don't understand you. I don't understand why you're so dark.
But do you love and value me as a person and accept me for who I am?
Of course.
Oh, good. Then that's all that matters, right?
Yay. Yeah. But dude, You need to see a therapist.
I did. I've seen many therapists.
You need to see more. And you need to listen to happy songs.
Right. What are some
I
other?
mean, I guess life isn't always happy. And I guess you can write about unhappy things.
Like
'cause
Eeyore from
that's
Winnie the
real.
Pooh.
Yeah, he was real sad.
I
But
would be sad too
yeah,
if I had a nail in my butt.
but like your head doesn't always have to go there, Glenn. It could be in a rainbow. It could be at like the playing ball with your friends, or like a swimming pool with ducks in it. Just happy.
I guess you're right.
Happy.
Good job. So what do you do when do you ever feel sad? Do you ever feel sorrow?
I guess so. I mean,
Oh.
not mostly when I listen to you talk about dark things. The rest of the time, I feel pretty happy.
So I mean, but okay, so good point. So how do you maintain such a happy, cheery outlook on life? What can you tell
It's my job.
my possibly 16, anywhere from 4 to 16 viewers, how they can maintain that joy in their lives? It's your job, so how do you do it?
You gotta live in the moment.
But what if the moment is sad?
Then you let it pass through you. You say, "Oh, hi, sadness. There you are," and that's okay to be sad. But then you remember that you have reasons to be happy, like happy songs, and then you dance, la 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 la,
Whoa.
and it's fun.
That's good advice.
Yeah.
I like that. I'm gonna have to
Yeah.
write that down and make that my thing when I'm in a sad moment.
Yeah, just do it.
So having been a Storytime dog, I want to hear more.
Storytime.
Like, how is that all you did? You just hung out at Storytime?
This one time, I went to a farmer's market.
Oh.
And I got yelled at by Miss Susan because we were reading books to kids. She called me a diva because I kept interrupting her story. But this one guy thought I was a real dog. And even though we were having a conversation and most real dogs don't talk, so like he's like, "Oh, I thought you were a real dog," and I was like, "Nah, I'm a puppet." And I thought maybe he was drunk.
It could have been just stupid.
Yeah, I mean, it was. Yeah, he could have been, but he was nice. It was nice to have a conversation with a new friend.
Well, that's good.
And the guy in the next booth was playing jazz, so I got to dance.
Nice.
I got to dance. I got to dance because I like a jazz.
Well, good. So you like jazz? You like Hanson? What you like?
Yeah.
Pass the Dutchie. You
Pass the Dutchie.
You
Deutschland. That's fun to say.
What
Deutsch. Is? Deutsch. Deutschland.
That is kind of fun
Deutsch.
to say. Wow.
Yeah.
So like, what is the weirdest thing a kid ever did mid story time that you witnessed?
They always stick their hand in my mouth.
That's kind of
Like I'll be
rude.
talking, they just because I did toddler time, and they just shoved their hand in my mouth, and so I'd
Why?
have to be like,
I mean,
like
that's
they
really
gotta learn. I can't talk with a hand in my mouth, and plus,
right.
you don't know where toddler hands have been.
Oh, but you
Ah,
do. Yeah.
yeah. I don't want to think about it.
Yeah, it's gross. So, I mean, why do you think they did that? Do you think maybe they saw you as a deity and they were offering themselves to you as sacrifice, saying, "Here, God, eat me"?
Yeah, probably.
That's my first guess for sure. For sure.
I mean, they would give me hugs too. Those are nice.
Oh yeah, those are nice. Oh, okay. So like what was your favorite Storytime book?
Excuse me.
Whoa.
I got a frog in my throat. My
Oh, is that
favorite
what you had for
story time book
dinner?
is Peg Leg Peak because it's a book about a dog with a broken leg, which is sad. But he pretends to be a pirate, and so I got to wear a pirate outfit
Nice.
and be Peg Leg Peak.
Like after work, did you keep the pirate costume on and go try to pick up chicks or something? Or dudes?
I wore it for 2 years
Oh wow.
because the work of a storytime puppet can be rigorous. And sometimes you got wait. Okay, now I'm gonna get dark.
Go for it.
Sometimes you gotta have your costume sewn onto you
Holy crap.
but it doesn't hurt because I'm a puppet. So, but it still is kind of morbid. But because I move around a lot, and I didn't want my hat to fall off while I was being the pirate dog.
Got it.
So, afterwards I just kind of left it on.
That makes sense.
Because it was cool.
Wait, but so does that mean that your sunglasses are sewn onto your face right now?
No, I just put them on.
Oh, well, that's good. I can breathe a little easier. Not
Yeah, no, it's mostly with stuff that's like, because these stay on unless I move too much, but I don't know. God. Oh. I'll be off in a minute. Oh.
Does she need to use the computer or something?
I mean, I'm on the phone, but she doesn't like it when I talk to other people, I guess. I don't know.
She's jealous.
Maybe.
Or she just is like a narcissist who doesn't want anyone paying attention to anyone but her.
Oh, there she is. Get out of my space, Donnell. Ah! Freaking tail.
I mean, this is one of the weirdest episodes ever.
Hey,
Yeah.
next time, can I come on again? And I can wear my pirate outfit.
Oh, that would be awesome. But is they're gonna have to sew it onto you?
But it doesn't hurt.
Okay.
And then can I wear an eye patch instead of sunglasses? Or do I still have to wear sunglasses?
You still have to wear sunglasses because the name of this show is Conversations in Sunglasses.
Okay.
But you could lift it up and show us your eye patch under it.
Okay.
You could even wear your
Then
sunglasses lopsided if you want to.
Okay. I'd like to be a pirate.
Yeah, you can dress however you want, man. If ever we have you on again.
I can be what I want to. I be a pirate
Yeah.
and be on a ship and stuff. Okay, the end.
That was an abrupt ending. Kind of makes me
I
burp.
didn't have anything else to say.
Wait, what?
I didn't have anything else to say on my song.
Oh, got it. Well, that's usually what they call the end. You've never read Tarzan, have you? Too long.
Yeah, I read Tarzan.
You did?
I listened. I read Tarzan.
But that's longer than 20 pages.
Yeah, it was the longest book I read.
Oh, well, good job. So you know how like it
was
just kind
funny.
of ends abruptly and it's like the writer just ran
Yeah,
out of paper?
and he gets a car and drives away.
Oh, you have read Tarzan. Not that
I
I
wasn't
don't.
expecting.
Yeah.
And I was like, duh, Tarzan is Jungle Boy. But no, he learns how to talk and gets in a car. Oh, spoiler! If you have
Right.
not read Tarzan,
He gets in a car.
he gets a car. He drives away.
Yeah. Like, I wonder what kind of car it was. Whoa. Like, what kind of car is it? Didn't it in 1912? Oh, well. But yeah, he did. And then it's just like, wait, that's the end? It's not even over. It's totally not over, but he's just not, it's like, no more paper. I guess that's the end of the book. Let's publish it.
There's more books.
Yeah, that's true.
I didn't read those.
Oh, okay. The second one is really good. If you go forward, I think it's called The Return of Tarzan. Because it's like, oh, I have more paper. I guess I'll continue that story that I abruptly stopped at book 1. Whoa. So, who are your dog heroes? Whoa.
Can you see my eyes?
I am afraid so. Can you see mine?
No.
Me
I
neither.
can't see you at all.
Oh, right.
Mostly because I'm wearing ridiculous sunglasses, but also because my face is covering your face on my screen.
Oh, I get it.
I like Snoopy and the one dog from the Pinocchio books.
Oh, yeah. Howard? Was it Howard?
Howard. He can write books like you.
Oh, yeah. Those are good books, too.
I don't know how I can't type. I don't know how Howard types.
Always say yeah. You never know where life's going to take you, man.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. And then I like that chowder dog that skateboards.
Oh, yeah.
Because I want to skateboard too.
Are you going to try?
Maybe.
I think that would be cool. Like if next time you're on here, you can show us your mad skateboard skills while dressed as a pirate.
Yeah. Oh, that'd be so cool. I could be a skateboard pirate.
Heck yeah. Well, Muffin, it seems...
That's me.
Yeah, you are Muffin. But you never answered my question. Are you... Are you a muffin? Like, this is what a muffin looks like. And you eat them. Or are you muffin, as in muff-ing? And I don't... If you are, what does that even mean? How does one muff?
I did answer the question. I said I'm a puppet.
Oh, I forgot.
My name is Muffin. After the baked good because it's cute. Like me.
Has anyone ever gotten confused and tried to devour you?
No. I don't look like a cup of muffin.
Yet?
I look like a dog.
Oh yeah, I guess you're right. Some people are dumb. Like, You know, like that one guy you met at the farmer's market who thought you were a real
He
dog.
didn't have any muffins. He didn't have any muffins.
Oh. Wait,
But,
how do you feel about
you know what
Pinocchio?
they have at the farmer's market is kettle corn. And I love kettle corn.
Oh, well, kettle corn's good, I guess.
But that's not a
I
good,
actually don't know.
it's not a good name. If my name was Kettle, actually, that's not a bad name. No, my name is Muffin. It's not kettle corn. Go away there now. Ah,
Okay, one final
I gotta get
question.
my roommate.
Yeah,
Okay,
your roommate's rude.
little bit,
She's a diva.
right? Call me a diva. I'll show you a diva.
But okay, so what are your thoughts on the story of Pinocchio? Like, how do you feel about a puppet wanting to become a real boy?
Oh,
Ever want to become a real
Okay.
dog?
that threw me for a second. I was like, why is that the last question? No, dude, being a puppet's awesome. Real dogs can't do this. Woo! Levitation. Levitation.
That we know of. I mean, some dogs have different talents.
Yeah, like that dog that can skateboard.
Exactly. And you're going to learn to skateboard and everything's going to be cool.
Yeah.
All right. Well, thank you for being on my little internet show, Muffin. And I hope you continue to live your best life, as you said.
I will do that. Okay, bye.
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 Bye, Glenn.
Bye, Muffin.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Glenn.
Bye.
Shut up,